Hello. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to request curbside pickup using the IDA app. First, you will want to download the app. Go to either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Search for IDA. Click on IDA and Idaho Library app and install. Go to My Account and then sign in. You will enter your borrower number, that is your library card number, and your PIN, which is usually the last 4 digits of your phone number. Then log in. You are now ready to request curbside pickup. Click on My Account, then Holds. Next, hit Curbside Pickup. Then click on I'm on my way. You can use the Use My Location button to use your phone's GPS data to estimate a time of arrival, or you can choose one of the options below. Once you have arrived at the library, click I am here. You can communicate with the library by entering a message in the Status Update window. Once you have retrieved your items, simply click Done, I have my items to finish the transaction.